Stoke-on-Trent, Stone and Stafford. This train is full of 4 coaches. Platform 11, Quadrant 1632, London Northwestern Railway, service to Liverpool Line Street. Platform 6, Quadrant 1630, Transport for Wales, service to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Wilmslow, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is formed of 2 coaches.
Off there is 390.040 bound for London Euston, I think, as here is 350.114 about to depart out for Stafford. Hello and welcome back to another episode of Trains App. Today I'm at Crewe on the West Coast Main Line. That's pretty much it. Let's see what Crewe has to offer. Okay, about to depart out now is 350.114 bound for Stafford.
Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Wilmslow, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is formed of 2 coaches.
Okay, so the train you saw depart out on platform 5 was 390.040 going from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. Okay, off now is A Class 221 bound for Crewe CS. It is 221.114 bound for Crewe CS. I do believe. Okay, arriving in on platform 1 is a Northern Class 323 terminating in from Manchester Piccadilly. And no, I cannot get the numbers. Okay, so it seems like I can get the numbers. It's 323223 that's terminated in from Manchester Piccadilly. Okay, about to pass through now is a Avanti West Coast service from Preston to London Euston. I did not get the numbers there, but yeah, it's a 390 going from Preston to London Euston. Okay, about to depart out platform 1 is the 1646 Northern service going from Crewe here to Manchester Piccadilly, forming a 3-car service, 323 223. Northern Rail doesn't really appear in my videos that much because I live in London and not the north of England, but I would like to see some more northern trains in the future. Okay, about to arriving on platform 5 is the slightly delayed 1649 London Northwestern Railway service to Birmingham New Street from Liverpool Lime Street. It is 3:50. $3:51.05.
This is the platform alteration for the 1745 Avanti West Coast service to Holyhead from platform 12.
Okay, departing at now is 3:51.05, bound for Birmingham New Street from Liverpool Lime Street. With its next stop being at... I already forgotten. And it looks like there's another service about to come in on platform 6. Okay, arriving in now on not platform 6, platform 7 is a terminating London Northwestern. Terminating is a London Northwestern Railway service, class 350, and that's all I can tell you really. I'll check where it's from in a minute. And I'll also try get numbers. No, I did not get the numbers. Oh, 3:50.121. Check where that's from in a minute. I think it's terminating in, not too sure. This one's arrived in from London Euston and terminated here. Okay, arriving in now is a Avanti West Coast service to London Euston from Blackpool North. It's the 1704. It is 3:90.141. Okay, about to head off now is 39141 bound for London Euston from Blackpool North. So next calling point being at, I assume it's Stafford. Off it goes, bound for London Euston. Okay, about to arrive in now is a Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly from London Euston. It's 390. 390,006. As arriving in now on platform 5 is a Transport for Wales service bound for Swansea. Hang on, this isn't Transport for Wales. Okay, 67015, pulling these. Oh, it is Transport for Wales. Was not expecting that. Well, here is 67015, going from somewhere to Swansea. London Euston to no, what am I talking about? Manchester Piccadilly to Swansea. Okay, about to arriving on platform 3 is an East Midlands Railway service from Newark Castle, I do believe. The 67 is very noisy. It is 17535. Okay, off now is 390,006, going to Manchester, bound for Manchester Piccadilly from London Euston. Okay, about to head off now is 67015, bound for Swansea from Manchester Piccadilly. On the rear is 82201. Okay, about to depart off platform 7 is the 1713 London Northwestern Railway service to London Euston, starting here. Oh, 170-535 is also off, bound for Newark Castle, I think. As also off is 350-121 and another unit at the front, bound for London Euston, starting here. With his next stop being at Stafford. Oh my god, the rain is getting out of hand here at Crewe. Really is. Okay, about to depart out now is A Class 323 bound for Manchester Piccadilly, with its next stop being at Sandbach. It's 323233. As here on platform 8 is a class 153 bound for Shrewsbury, which is about to depart out. This one is 153003 going to Shrewsbury. I did not expect a 153 to appear in my video, but hey, it has. Off it goes, bound for Shrewsbury. Okay, arriving in now is a class 350 to, don't know where it's going to. It is 350-251. And at the rear, 350-115. Bound for Birmingham New Street, so I assume it's from Liverpool Line Street, but it's in the captions. Okay, about to depart off now is 350-251 and 350-115 bound for Birmingham New Street. Once again, not too sure where it's from. And oh, here's the last train of the day. It is a class 390 bound for London Euston, and it will be my train to London Euston. 390-114. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as I post videos weekly, and I will see you at the next stop. Bye bye.